Hello and welcome back to my channel Mom About Crafts. Today I have my little helper Elizabeth and we are going to make a cake called tres leches. Called tres leches in Spanish means 3 milks because it has 3 different types of milks. I'm going to list the ingredients on the description and it's very easy recipe to do. So the first thing we need to do is turn on the oven at 350 degrees and let it preheat and when we do our mix. So what we need is 1 cup of all-purpose flour. This is the one I use. And then we need 3/4 of a cup of just regular granulated sugar. We're gonna need baking powder and just 1.5 teaspoons, and we're gonna need vanilla extract, and we're gonna need regular milk. I use only 1/4 of a cup, and I need 5 eggs. For the butter itself, we're gonna use only 3 of them, and I'll show you where we use the other 2. And for the sauce, I need 2 evaporated cans of milk and 1 can of condensed milk, and that's it. And I also need a regular butter, so we could like put it in in the container. I usually use a glass 13x9 container. My husband's going to take these tres leches to work, so I'm going to use this one. So first we're gonna open the eggs, and I don't like to put the egg directly on the bowl we're gonna mix. I put it on a different bowl to make sure, if anything falls, it doesn't mix or it gets bad, you get a good batter. So Elizabeth's gonna crack the eggs. Hands and we're going to put the eggs on here.
Mama, go wash my hands because I want to do it too.
And now we're going to put 3/4 of a cup of sugar onto the 3 eggs. Okay, and we're going to whip this, mix it very slow first. We're gonna put it up. Okay. Okay, we'll go slow first to make sure it's really mixed, and then we go faster. Okay, it's been 5 minutes, and you can see how fluffy the eggs are with the sugar. And now we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla here. Okay, and we just turn it off a little bit more so it will be all mixed. And you can see the consistency of it. And we take it out of the mixer, and we're gonna mix the rest of it by hand. And now we're gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder to the flour. So that's 1 teaspoon, and then we're gonna do half. Okay, and now we're going to put it in the butter here with this. So make sure there's nothing. A little bit, little by little. well. Okay, and now we're going to fold the mix. Like, no mix it, but fold it. Fold it. Make sure everything is mixed, even the bottom. Okay, to this we're gonna add the quarter a cup of milk. So the milk too, eh? And now we keep folding. Let's fold from here. I just use butter. Usually in a regular cake you put butter and flour, but for this one we only need butter. And pretty much just cover it. And cover the sides. I do have one that I already used the butter, so it's just cooking. Make sure the butter is everywhere. And Elisa wants to do a little bit of it. I'm gonna help. Okay, and then we're gonna put the butter on it. So we had the butter ready to go to the oven, remember 350, and I put it on top of a cookie sheet because it's aluminum container, but usually when it's just the glass container I don't put the cookie sheet. Okay, so we just put it in the oven. And we're going to put it for about 25 to 30 minutes. So I'm gonna set up my timer for 25 minutes, and after that I will look at the color that I want for like about 5 more minutes, see if it's not ready yet, but we can do the toothpick test as well to make sure it's already baked. Okay, so now when our cake is baking, we're gonna do the sauce that goes on top of it. We need 2 eggs, and we're going to separate them. I have this little tool that helps me separate the yolk with the egg, with the white. We're just gonna use the yolk of the egg, and we're gonna put it in the container. Now there's a lot of recipes, different recipes for tres leches, but this is the way I learned how to do it, because it's the way I always done it and people seem to like it. So we put the other yolk there, and this one we're gonna save it for something else, maybe a pavlova or meringues. And now we have the evaporated milk. We have 2 evaporated milks, and we just put them there.
I can do that one. I want to do that one.
Okay. And now we're going to do the condensed milk. Help yourself with a little spatula. Here, Elizabeth. See, so you could take it off. So now we're just gonna make sure the eggs and the milk are all mixed. Like do this. Look, see the egg. Elizabeth is a very good helper. She she has Natalie's apron, so maybe for one video I will do an apron for her. How old are you, Elizabeth?
4.
4 years old. Okay, and we just set it up. We put it in the refrigerator, and we're gonna wait for our cake to be done. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Put 25 first, and then additional 5, and I'm gonna do it. And this is pretty much the color I want to. And do the test. There's nothing on it. See? And you can hear it also. It's not like super bubbling. So I'm gonna take it out. Gonna really fast, not here to the cooling rack, and the mix that I have, just whisk it a little more, and you have to put it pretty much right away on top of it when it's still super hot out of the oven. Just do it everywhere. So the yolks that were there, they're gonna finish cooking with the butter because it's still super hot. And you just going to let it cool down. See, I seen other recipes where they like let it cool down and they do the poking holes. I didn't learn it like that. Just put the butter as soon as it's warm, get it out of the oven, and you can see it's absorbing it right away. It's beautiful color on it. And we're gonna let it cool down for like about an hour or so. And then we're gonna put heavy cream on top. Okay, so the tres leches is cooled down, and now I put it in the refrigerator so it will be cooler. And I'm gonna make the whipped cream that I'm gonna put on top. For that, I need a heavy whipped cream, and I'm gonna make 2 cups of it. I measure it here, just looks like cream, and also 1/4 of a cup of sugar. Here, so you can see. 1/4. Okay, and I'm going to pipe some of the whipped cream, so I need a decoration bag, and I put this tip that is very thick because it's a little bit bigger, and the bag comes with the tip like a triangle, and I cut a bit of it, and I just push this one really hard on it. And I use a cup that I have, put it there, and I'll open it like this. So it's take some of the air out, so it's just easier when I put it there. Okay, and then I'm gonna mix all the ingredients. Mix all the ingredients, and I have my other little helper.
Hi.
Natalie, they just came from school, and I'm gonna put the cream on it. Okay. And just gonna let it mix. Okay, turn it on, Elisa. A little first. Okay, and we're just gonna let it mix with this. You can see the consistency. Heavy cream, and this is a little blend, so we're gonna add now the 1/4 cup of sugar. Consistency pretty hard. Okay, so the consistency, you can put it there, see, and it stays there. Kind of like the same when you cover the cakes. See? And I'm gonna put it here in the cup that has the bag, for the decorative bag. Okay, and you see. Now I'm gonna close it here, make sure nothing comes out of it, and then push it down. Now this tip I'm gonna twist it so nothing's gonna come out from this side, only from this side. Okay, so I get it ready. I'm gonna put it back on the cup right there. Now this part, I'm gonna cover this layer on the cake and then we decorate it. Okay, so I put a foil on the cake and put it in the refrigerator, in there for about an hour, just to cool down. See, all the milk is so, color is beautiful. So now we're gonna put this heavy cream, just gonna put on there. And I have this little spatula. Okay, so I finished putting a layer. Now we're gonna decorate it. Make sure it's really close. I guess we can just do like little, you know, like process of it, like this. Here so you can see it better. I'm going to put now the secret ingredient, cinnamon. And just gonna sprinkle the cinnamon around. Some people, they do it with fruit also, like fresh fruit, but I like it with cinnamon. Okay, so the tres leches is done. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, you can put big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.